Okay guys, this is what you get, this kind of box, and that's a $35. That's a rock crawler. I already connected the battery, so it's simply like right here, just unscrew this and open it like that, and you will see a battery like this one, and that's the charger from USB. I got two batteries. Some come with one battery, but this one is with two batteries. So I mean, it looks good, I gotta say that. This is metal or maybe aluminum. This is aluminum. The sides are aluminum. This is plastic. This is hard plastic too. This is rubber. And pretty much how it works is there's no differential. So if you grab them hard, they don't spin. So it's like there's one motor here and one motor here, and they do have LEDs here. I'm gonna demonstrate how they work. And this is the remote. There's some instructions. So it's pretty good that there's two batteries, and I purposely bought with two batteries because mostly you end up not having enough juice from batteries. So but this one, it's actually good with one battery. You have enough time to play. So let's go ahead and demonstrate. Okay, here you have to get your own batteries, and there's a switch here to turn it on and off. What I don't like about this is it's only like one position here, one position here, and like one position here, one position here. So pretty much I don't like the speed. I mean, the speed is good, but it only like has one speed. So one speed to the front and one speed to the back, and same to turning, only one speed here, one speed there. So I mean, the vehicle looks good and stays pretty flexible and stuff, but that's the only bad part about this, is that you cannot adjust the turning, you know, and the speed. Sometimes you just want to go slow, but it only goes like, you know, takes off pretty fast. So either reverse or front. So I'm gonna demonstrate this. Power this on like this, and power this on. As you can see, the lights are kind of on, and when I click, they light up. See, this how it sounds. It's only one right here, and same here. When I turn, only one, and it actually gets stuck in here. When I go like, it gets stuck, this plastic. So let's see what it can do. See, this is how it works. Okay, like for example, this truck, I got this one from China. I don't remember how much I got it for. It's about the same price, maybe a little bit more, but this one is pretty quality. And as you can see, I can adjust the turning. See, and I can adjust the speed. If I want to go slow, I can go slow, and if I need to go fast, I can go fast. I think my battery dies on the remote, so I have to replace them. Yeah. So that's what I was talking about. Like for example, this guy, I thought it would be the same to this guy, but it's something like this, you know? But it's pretty good for off-road, so I'm gonna demonstrate how it goes. Okay guys, let's test. So it's pretty good actually for off-road. It's 4-wheel drive. And the turning is not that good either. Like it has to take like a big radius. Like this is all the way. I'm turning all the way to turn. So I have to go like this. And this is the fastest speed. Maybe a little bit faster, because my battery I think may be dying. I haven't recharged it yet. Yeah, I think it's dying, yeah. I'm gonna go grab a different one. Okay. Turn this off. To be honest, I expect something better. I mean, it's good and the quality is good, but the controls, I don't like the controls. This. The battery. Wrong side. There we go. Put this wire so it's not in the way. And maybe the other way, like this. Yeah, like this. back in. Okay. Turn this on. Lights are on. Let's go try the speed. Okay. And as you can see, when I push, they blink. The lights blink. So this is the fastest speed. Okay, let's try to get over this bump here. It's kind of hard. Let's try here. And this battery looks kind of dead too. I'm not sure. I mean, I tried it at home, so it was looking kind of good. Okay, now it's stuck. So that's pretty much it, guys. Comment what you think. Also subscribe to my channel. So this is a $35 rock crawler or climber. I mean, it looks good actually. I just don't like the controls, the way, you know, the way you control the speed and the turning. So, but everything else is good. So like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.